So you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture? You've come to the right place, Niji and Nijikwe, to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La 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 la. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha Nandishanikaz. Natasha is my name. And today we're doing a really special, what do we call this? Focus on literature. Nah. This is a show for our friends at the Hennepin County Library. BOOZHOO, Allison. How's it going, my girl? Nah. And we have a special guest, Michael Lyons. He's a cartoonist, a writer, and an illustrator, and the producer of this show. But first, let us say hello to the host of BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO, take it away, baby.
Oh, me glad Sweeney Moshane. Thank you, sweetheart. And BOOZHOO, how's it going? Yeah, got the big writer and illustrator with us today, Mr. Michael Lyons. And you know, Michael's not only the creator of this show, he's also a cartoonist. And today we're going to focus on a book Michael wrote and illustrated. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is Mazini Igan Winini, artist. Michael does a lot of stuff, so he's kind of an artist. And one of the books he wrote and illustrated is BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO, and it's a story of a little squirrel, AJIDAMOO, who goes on a walk and says hello to a bunch of animals. So you get to learn a whole bunch of animal names in Ojibwe Moan, like AJIDAMOO is squirrel, Gizis is sun, Giji Ganashin, chickadee, Mamengwa, butterfly, and on and on. So I was thinking, honey, you want to do something? How about, if it's cool with you, Michael, we read this book for the folks, and I'll read AJIDAMOO, and you can read all the other animals.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So this is BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO by Michael Lyons. There's the cover page. There's AJIDAMOO walking from the sun. Okay, go ahead, sweetie.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Gizis. Hello, sun. It's a sunny day.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO. Hello, squirrel.
BOOZHOO, Giji Ganashin. Hello, chickadee.
BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO, Memengwa. Hello, butterfly. Saying hello to the butterfly and the chickadee. BOOZHOO Seban. BOOZHOO Seban. Hello, raccoon. That raccoon is sleeping. He's trying to wake him up.
Huh? Oh, BOOZHOO AJIDAMOO.
He just woke him up. Now he's laughing.
BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO.
BOOZHOO on deck. BOOZHOO on deck. Hello, crow.
BOOZHOO, Ajida.
Oh, what's he see there? It's a flying saucer. Pekka! Wait! Pekka! Wait, what are you doing? Your hummingbird's going right after him. Oh,
BOOZHOO, Niji. Hello, brother. BOOZHOO, Nenukasi Indigenakaz. Hello, hummingbird is my name. BOOZHOO. I think the aliens like using telekinetics.
BOOZHOO! AJIDAMOO Indigenakaz. Hello, AJIDAMOO is my name.
Stephen Indigenakaz. Stephen is my name. Majada.
AJIDAMOO's thinking about it, but I don't think, Steven's saying, let's go. And Hummingbird's not sure about it.
AJIDAMOO, get go! AJIDAMOO, don't!
Gigawabamin, Minowa. I'll see you later. That old squirrel, he's going to go on a joyride in the UFO, in the spaceship. Gigawabamin, Aki. Goodbye, Earth. Or I'll see you, Earth. Gigawabamin, Dibik Jesus. I'll see you, Moon. I'll see you, Moon and Earth. Hoa. Hoa is the Ojibwe word for ufta in Norwegian. And then he does a big U-turn. And he comes back and he's like, BOOZHOO, Dibik Jesus. Hello, Moon. BOOZHOO, Aki. Hello, Earth. Now he's saying hello to the moon and the earth. BOOZHOO, Dibik Jesus. BOOZHOO, Aki. Oh, now he comes in, he's getting teleported. Oh, me gwetch. That's like, oh, thank you, really, really thank you. Thank you a lot. Oh, me gwetch. He's grateful for his little joyride into outer space. Gigawabamin, Stephen. I'll see you, Stephen.
Gigawabamin, AJIDAMOO. I'll see you, AJIDAMOO. I'll see you, red squirrel.
They're waving goodbye. It's also the end of the day. Now he flies away and AJIDAMOO's there and he's thinking, oh, oh, he went on a big adventure. And there you have it. BOOZHOO, AJIDAMOO. Hello, red squirrel. And if you'd like to order the book, click the link. But otherwise, I'd like to say miigwech to our special guest, Michael Lyons. And thank you for being on the show. And with that said, I want to say miigwech to Hennepin County Library for asking us to share one of our books. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hoa. All right. Good job, buddy. You too, sweetie.